Hi, everyone. Today we are looking at the Canary Hotel and Apartment in Hanoi, Vietnam. If you are planning a trip here, make sure to use the link or QR code in the description for the safest booking experience. The hotel is perfectly situated near the Lotte Center, with the Lotte observation deck and department store just a short walk away. It's an excellent base for exploring the Ba Dinh area. Major cultural sites like the Vietnam Museum of Ethnology and the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum are within a 2 kilometers radius. You'll be close to many important embassies as well. With only 20 well-appointed rooms, this property offers a much more personalized and quiet experience compared to large high-rise hotels. Expect a cozy fusion of modern and traditional Vietnamese decor. The rooms are designed to feel like a home away from home. If you are a light sleeper, you'll be glad to know the property offers soundproof rooms to help you rest after a busy day in Hanoi. The hotel serves an Asian buffet breakfast. They also cater to various dietary needs with vegetarian and vegan options available. The hotel is approximately a 50-minute drive from the airport. They offer shuttle and taxi services to make your arrival hassle-free. This is a great choice for families as they offer family rooms, kids' meals, and allergy-free room options. You don't have to worry about connectivity or parking, as both free Wi-Fi and on-site car parking are included with your stay. Check-in starts at 1 p.m. and checkout is at 12 p.m. They offer 24-hour front desk service to accommodate different travel schedules. Canary Hotel and Apartment is a solid, intimate choice for travelers wanting convenience in Hanoi. Don't forget to use the link in the description to secure your rooms safely.